see this? This is a boot makeover. So this is what we're gonna do today. So if you guys see this boot, and you guys see how I got the fur and stuff on it. Okay, so we got the fur already cut, guys. And this is the boot. This is what the boot look like. Okay, so the boot already have these tassel things on it, these ties. So guys, if you want to make your own ties, just order fox leather ribbon, and you can get it. Okay, so what I want to do, you either can stuff the boots or put it on, because you don't want to make the boot too small. Okay, so once you get it and get the boot on, guys, figure out which part is which. So this part goes down at the bottom, so you're going to stuff that down at the bottom, pull it through. And the reason why you kind of want to do it with the boot on, because you don't want to wind up making it too small. So once you get it to where you want it, guys, even it up, get it to where you want it, and then this part is going to fold under this way and be glued down. So even it out, so it could be with this one. So when you comb it, comb the furs down. Okay, so now that you got that, now it's just time for the hot glue gun. So now I'm going to turn the camera this way. So you pretty much, and I don't have a lot of space, guys. So you're just going to roll this up, and if you want it to sit right there, that's where you're going to line it up at. So put your glue on there, on where it's going to sit. And be careful, because this is hot glue, guys. And then hold it on there, guys. And then find the other places you want to glue. And that's pretty much it, guys. And then your boots will be ready. And I'm going to show you guys the final results. So yes, so I'm just going to fill it in different little spaces where I want it to lay down at. It's not going to take a lot. And then I'll be able to tie this up. And then this part, I'm going to put the glue on this part, guys. So put the glue, and be careful, because this is the part you can burn yourself. So you definitely want to be careful with this part, because this is when it get dangerous. So when I get ready to roll it over, I actually take the boot off. So, alrighty, guys, I'll be back, and I'm going to show you guys the jacket I made. Bye. Hey, guys, so disclaimer, I would not wear this together. I am just trying it on, letting you guys know I finished it, and this is the jacket that I also rigged up. But if you guys see the boots, I think they're really cool, guys. So this fabric came from a fabric store out in Brooklyn Park, so in Minnesota, and they do not ship, guys. But if you're in the Minnesota area, it's Harrison Fabrics in Brooklyn Park, Minnesota. And they have all different type of little, they also have real fur, and this is the fake fur. So they have different kinds, but this is what I rigged up. And I did this jacket, guys. And I actually got to get some tassels, because it actually, well, this jacket was actually too little. Like, jackets get too little. But I figure I can do a hook and eye right here, because I don't really like my jackets really button up anyway. But this is what I came up with, guys. And you guys remember, I also did the, fur head wrap, and I wear this one at an angle, a certain kind of way. I like to have this little black piece over there. So guys, yes, I think that it turned out really pretty, guys. Really pretty. So yes, this is what I wind up coming up with, guys. So as always, guys, thank you guys for watching. And again, guys, I'm not dressed to wear this. If I ever get dressed and wear this, I'll do a picture or a video. This is just a try on after I have completed it, guys. So as always, guys, thank you guys so much. And then I didn't sew this, guys. I also used a hot glue gun, and I just glued the edges, glued it around the edges, and, you know, measured off the piece how I wanted it to go and how I wanted it to do. And I also did not sew the head wrap. I also hot glue gun that as well. So as always, guys, you guys have an awesome Tuesday. Bye-bye, guys.